A sleep timer on YouTube ensures videos stop playing automatically, helping conserve battery and preventing sleep disruptions. Here are the steps to enable and use it. Ensure that you have an active YouTube membership and that your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. You can update it from the App Store on iPhone and Play Store on Android. Now, open the YouTube app on your mobile device, either iPhone or Android. Then, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and tap on Settings gear at the top right corner. Now, find the option for Try Experimental New Features and scroll and move to option Try It Out. Once you turn it on, go back to your YouTube video of what you want to play with the sleep timer. Find the Settings option from the YouTube video player at the top right corner. Go to the Additional Settings option and tap on Sleep Timer. Select the timer you want to set and see the remaining time left. Auto turn off the sleep timer on YouTube. That's it. If you don't want to purchase a YouTube membership, you can use a clock app on your iPhone. For Android, there are apps available for sleep timer. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment for more help.